can't quite see it, but that there, that coastline is North Sicily, which we're 3/4 of the way down. And then this is the Ionian Islands. You can probably just work one out there. A couple of islands here. And these islands just here. And then Lipari Island is just through that gap and round to the right, and then Stromboli's right up at the north end of these islands. Got all the sails out today. Full main, full jib, and no engines running. Got the generator running. Beautiful day, nice and hot. About 12 knots of wind. Pretty calm.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
That's the island called Volcano.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end.
This is the island of Lipari. There's the entrance in between.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Tony, see if you can do a 360. Go on.
On you get on. Hello, you fucking.
No, you got to sit in the middle.
No, I'm not sitting in the middle.
Oh,
Dave, how did you get on there?
it's unscrewing, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this football pitch, Dave. It's got volcano ash in the middle.
What do I want to do? And I'll tell you, it'd piss off a lot of my mates, is put Millwall's new ground.
Oh no, you couldn't do that.
This one here for the kids.
Yeah.
I don't think there's been any new advertisers for the last decade or so. Look at that, playing football underneath Stromboli, a live active volcano. Right, come on, boys.
Gal, we should actually take a picture of that and put it on for Mark, Chelsea's new ground. He wouldn't come out, Gal, would he? Beautiful, though, isn't it?
Stop picking on my brother. He was too quick.